Welcome to our channel, where we explore the delightful world of vegan sweets. If you've got a sweet tooth and a desire to eat cruelty-free, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the art of creating vegan candy that's not only good for your conscience but also your taste buds. So, let's jump right in and discover these irresistible vegan candy recipes. Wait, before we starting I introduce you Alpillion supplement weight loss in 7 days. Now let's dive into the video. Chewy vegan gummy bears. Our first vegan candy recipe is a classic favorite, gummy bears. These chewy little treats are bursting with fruity flavors and are entirely plant-based. Here's what you'll need. To get started, we'll mix our ingredients and create colorful gummy bear molds. Let's fast forward to the fun part, and there you have it, your very own vegan gummy bears that are free of gelatin and full of flavor. Recipe 2, rich vegan chocolate truffles. Next up, we have a decadent treat, vegan chocolate truffles. These creamy delights are perfect for indulging or gifting. Let's see what you'll need. We'll start by making the chocolate ganache, and then we'll shape it into these luscious truffles. It's as easy as it is delicious. Voila! Rich, velvety vegan chocolate truffles that will melt in your mouth. You won't believe they're dairy-free. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. If you enjoyed this video and want more plant-based cooking inspiration, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And remember, with just a few simple ingredients, you can create culinary magic right in your own kitchen.